Guys, now please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, please confirm to me, guys. Please type in questions box. Guys, now please check it. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, guys, now please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Guys, now please confirm to me. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, am I audible? Is my voice on screen is clear to all of you guys? Guys, type in questions box. All of you get my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, am I audible? Is my voice on screen is clear to all of you? Please type in questions box. Guys, everybody, then there is a questions box for all of you. Just to type in questions box. Am I audible or not? All right, guys, there no response. Yeah, there is a questions box for all of you. Just type yes there so that I can watch your messages. I can see your messages there. Right, right. Good morning, guys. Project. Right. Just give a minute of time. It will come. Right, sir. Then I think some of you are coming for a demo class today. Just a small information to all of you. Now try to recognize this. In core Java, we are going to see the first one is introduction part. So in general, in this introduction part, I am going to cover what is the requirement to come for Java programming language over C, C++ mainly. There is a topic. Java features, normal topic, the theoretical content only. Java naming conventions and Java programming format only. These concepts I need to discuss there. Then after that, the second topic is what there. Steps to prepare first Java application. Steps to prepare first Java application. That is the second topic what we are going to discuss. Understand it now? After that, and so on, and so on, and so on. Almost all 35th topic, or maybe 37th or 38th, whatever it may be. Java 22nd version features. Up to that, Java 22nd version features. Up to that, we are going to understand in our classes now. This is a total content. Okay. Fine. Those who are attending this class, first class, for you I'm giving clarity. This introduction topic I will discuss with you separately. I will take separately this introduction part. It's a theoretical only, no programming, nothing, no dependencies available for it. I'll discuss it separately. No need to worry for it. Today onwards, I'm going to start with what there steps to prepare first Java application. Understand it, then today's onwards a bit programmatic view I'm going to discuss there. Then today onwards I'm going to discuss about what there steps to prepare first Java application. But this topic, introduction topic, I will discuss with you separately. So no need to think much about this introduction here. Easily we can understand this theoretical content only. Third one is what there language fundamentals. And the fourth one is what there object orientation. Whoops. This is the heart of the Java. In fact, this is the starting point of the actual Java. Actual Java starting point is what there object orientation. Understand it clearly what I'm telling you now. But before this, these three topics are what there basics, foundation for learning Java programming language. Understand it now. Part of that, I'm going to take this topic separately. I'll give separate schedule for it. But today onwards, we are going to start from what there, like directly steps to prepare first Java application. From this particular topic onwards, we are going to start our content. Clear? All of you are getting clarity on this? Right. Now, anyway, another topic here. Now I'm going to give some adding here. Then before that, for new members, I'm telling to you notes link. I want to give their classroom notes. So this is a classroom notes link. Better to take at least picture of it. If you use this URL in our browser, you will get the documents. There you can open the first application document. There we are able to get like what there this content. Okay. Abhi. Okay. That's it. And just 1 minute. Then I went to some might be some place there last 2 days back, no Shirdi. Then we had some. Hey, divide. 1 minute. ఒకదానిలో రెండు ఉంటాయి ఒకటి చేసి దానిలో ఓపెన్ చేసి okay, right sir. Then meanwhile I'll continue, don't worry. So now the topic is what there steps to prepare first Java application. Steps to prepare first Java application. The topic steps to prepare first Java application. Right. If you want to prepare application, what I have to do? At present, my situation is what there. I have only computer. In this computer, I have only operating system. I had only operating system. Nothing is available. Maybe max internet connection, browser. That's it. Apart from that, I'm not having any other content. Yes, sir. All of you understand the point clearly, what I'm telling to you? Okay. So, from this point, if you want to prepare the application, what I have to do here, now understand it. From this point, if you want to do this, what I have to do, okay, number one, download and install Java software. Step number one. See, if you want to prepare the program, of course, I can write the code by using Notepad also. No problem. Of course, I'm going to use some editors and IDEs in the future, but the point is what there. By using Notepad also, I can write the program. Writing program is okay, no problem. But after that, what I have to do? I have to compile the program. To compile the program, we need Java software. To execute the program, we need Java software. So before going to write the program, first we have to make ready our Java software in our computer. So because of that reason, as a first step, what we have to do there, just download and install Java software. That we have to do. Understand it, guys? What I'm telling you now. Okay? Right, so this is step number one. Step number two, step number two, step number two. Okay, we installed Java software, it's okay, fine. Then what next one here? After the installation of the Java software, I have to, I need some editor or some IDE to type the program, to write the program. So definitely we need a program, right? Where we are going to write the program? Definitely we require some editor or maybe IDE. So that's why what I am telling there, download and install editor software. Initially we are going to start our programming with the editor. Initially we are going to start our programming with what their editor. Got it what I'm telling there? Later on, after starting object orientation, after starting the actual object orientation, I will start with the IDEs. I will type the code with the IDE, integrated development environment, Eclipse IDE or IntelliJ IDEA. I'm going to start, but basic programming we are going to see with the editor. Understand it clearly now? It's okay. Download and install what their editor software that is required. Next one. After that, what next one here we have to write there? Open editor and write a Java program, and write Java program means that this step is very simple, but still what I am telling there, open editor and write Java program in the sense to write first program, at least to display welcome to Durga Software Solutions message, at least to display that what minimum we require. What minimum required? What's the purpose of each and every one? That here we have to understand clearly. So for that purpose here what I am telling there, open editor and write Java program that we have to provide. After that, next one is okay, I have written the program. First of all, understand it, no? I installed my Java software, I provided the required configurations, I installed editor, some editor. After that editor, next one is what there, I open the editor and I wrote the Java program, I've written it, but I have to save the Java file or not? Up to now what we are following, control S or alt Fs, if we click no save option we are able to get there, we are going to save the file, right? But while saving the file, while saving Java file, there are some rules and regulations. There are some rules and regulations at the time of saving the Java files that we have to know. So because of that reason, save Java file, save Java file in our computer, in computer, that's enough. Save Java file, that's okay, fine. All right, what next one? I've written the program, I saved the program. Next one is what there, I have to compile the program. So compile Java file. For what purpose we are going to compile, that we have to understand. And before this, and before this today's session, before this topic, our thinking is what there, just if you write Java C space file name dot Java, tester dot Java, if you write it no, we thought of it, it's going to be compiled. Yes, definitely it's going to be compiled. But what happened internally? How compilation is going on internal? How does the compiler can compile the program? Internals here we have to understand. They are not aware about it. Almost all only compile Java file step, Java C step, Java C command. I need to discuss nearly 2 to 3 days of time. Content is available. Important points are available there. We have to understand them. So definitely, it's a very, very important topic for us. After completion of this, different approaches of compiling the Java files. Okay, different options are available. Multiple cases are available. Is it possible to compile more than one Java file by using a single Java C command or not? Understand my point here? Then if it is yes, if the answer is yes, in how many ways we can do that? Understand it here? So many cases are available there directly. It's okay, fine. After that, next one is execute the Java application. What next one here? Execute the Java application. Fine, clear? Now overall, these are the very steps here we have to follow to prepare the very first Java program. First one is what, sir? Now tell me. Download and install Java software. Download and install Java editor software. Open editor and write Java program. Save Java file. Compile Java file. Execute Java application. Okay. Now let us start one by one clearly today. And one more thing I'm telling to you, today onwards, you have to practice the content. Up to theory, Whether you practiced it or not, that doesn't matter. But today onwards, we have to do some work on our system. Every point, everything I'm going to show in front of try to follow that and try to take that content clearly. It's okay, fine. This is clear. For this. Now come for this, download and install Java software. That's the point number one. Alright, so now before going to start this download and install Java software option in my system, before that, so first of all, already I have Java softwares in my system. Already I have Java softwares in my computer. Let me uninstall the Java softwares. After that, freshly I will download from internet. I'll install them in our computer. Okay, then we are going to see clearly what is the installation process. First of all, let me know what softwares I have been installed in my system. I have installed in my system. Let me check for it. See, sir, now in general, I used to install all my softwares under C drive. In which drive? There, C drive. I used to install all my softwares directly C. Then Java folder is available, right? I think you are getting it right. Java folder. Inside the Java folder, I had some Java versions. Now, can you check it now? What versions are available here now? Here, if you see this, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. Okay, JDK 1.17 also. Alright, JRE systems. When we install Java softwares, two products will be installed. Part of the Java software installation, two products will be installed. One is JDK, Java Development Kit. Second one is JRE, Java Runtime Environment, JRE. See this, we can see clearly JDKs are available, JREs are available. But in the latest versions of the Java, almost right from Java 11 or 10th version, 11 or 12th version onwards, JRE was embedded inside the JDK. JRE was provided part of the JDK. Because of that reason, in the latest versions, no JRE is going to be installed. JRE will come automatically aligned with what their JDK. Because of that reason, for JDK, only for Java 17th version, only JDK is available. No JRE is available. For Java 1.6, JDK and JRE. For Java 1.7, JDK and JRE. For Java 1.8, JDK and JRE is available. But for Java 17th version, what is available? JDK is available. Why? Because JRE is the internal part of what their JDK. JRE is not required to be provided separately. In the latest versions, almost Java 11 or 12 version onwards, this thing is happened. Now try to understand it clearly. Clear? All of you are getting clarity now? Now what I have to do here at present? I have to uninstall these softwares first. After that, I have to download freshly. I have to install them. Am I right or not? Okay. Now, uninstallation of the Java softwares I want to do. So what I have to do? Select all. Click on what button here? Yes, perfect. What button? Delete button. If I click on it now, all the softwares are going to be deleted. Am I right or not? Hold on. This is wrong. This is wrong. You should not do this. Simple point I'm telling you. Not only Java software, any software, this approach is not good. I'm giving clarity, observe carefully. If we install any software in our computer, some files and folders are visible to us, some other files and folders are created internally. Installation in the sense, visible files, invisible files, internal files, both must be created. Then only that software is going to be installed. Then immediately, uninstallation in the sense, you have to delete both visible files, invisible files, both we have to delete. But now what we are doing now, only visible files and folders only we are trying to delete. But same internally, some other files and folders are available or not with respect to this particular software. What that internal files and folders are doing there, if you delete like this now, then if you are trying to install same software again in our computer, that internal files are not allowing us to install again the same software. At the same time, if you are trying to uninstall the software, it is not allowing again. Problem is going on here, right? So what we have to do, what is the alternative? The most of the cases that alternative is what there, just we have to refresh that C drive, means that the total formatting C drive is the next option. If you have any other software, there also be removed there if you go for uninstallation process. Got it? What I'm telling there now? So because of that reason, what is that uninstallation process? Uninstallation process must delete both visible files and folders and as well as what their internal files and folders. Then what we have to do now? But anyway, we are not aware about it where that internal files and folders are going to be saved. But outside visible files and folders only we can see. Internally they are available. They have to be deleted. So because of that reason, what is the point I am telling there? Installation is one process. Similarly, uninstallation is also another process. Installation is one process, uninstallation is also like what there another process. Most of the cases, uninstallation process could be done with uninstall.exe files in the software. Uninstall.exe file. Definitely some batch files or exe files must be provided for uninstallation process. In the case, if the softwares are not providing uninstallation files now, then in your system there is a mechanism to uninstall your files. In our computer there is a mechanism to uninstall our files. What is it actually? Understand it now. I'm going to show that. Where to go for system search? System search we must go for what there? Control panel. Yes guys, all of you get my point now. We must go for what there? Control panel. Inside the control panel, programs option is available. There we have a link. What is that link here now? Uninstall a program. Just open it. Open it. Alright sir. Now here, whatever the softwares that we have installed in our system, everything is available. Everything is available. Then what softwares we want to remove? We want to uninstall from our system there. Here we have to delete it. If we delete them, automatically the softwares are going to be deleted completely. I'll forget my point or not. So what we have to do in a system search, we have to open control panel. In the control panel, programs. In that programs, uninstall a program option is available. Click on it. Automatically, we are able to get list of programs which we have installed in our system. They are available to us. There we can select the software. There we can remove the software. That's it. Now see this one. What softwares can I want to delete there? Now check for it now. What softwares can I want to delete here? Now check for it now. All of you understand it clearly? Right, sir. Now just 1 minute. I think for some of it is not visible. Just 1 minute of time. Right. I think so. Now it is visible, right? Fine. What softwares can I want to uninstall now? Java 7, Java 8, Java SE 7, Java SE 8, Java 6 and 6, 7, whatever it may be. All the softwares are available. Wherever we are getting Java, simply we have to uninstall it. Then how I'm going to uninstall it now? Nothing, sir. No need to do any then too much process can. Right click on any particular software, uninstall option is available. Click on it. Are you sure? Yes. Yes, again. Going on. Maybe 1 second or 2 seconds or 1 minute of time it will take to uninstall all the content again. Now I'm going to uninstall each and every part. So finally, before installation of the Java softwares, now we are understanding clearly how to uninstall Java softwares. We started with what process? Uninstallation process only. Right, it's okay, fine. Gone. Next one is right click on it, uninstall. Click on OK. Again OK. And one more point I'm telling there. If you go for any company, for example, after completion of your courses, if you go for any company, in that company, you are not supposed to do this type of work. You are not responsible for installation of the softwares and uninstallation of the softwares. No, you are not at all responsible for it. You are the developer basically. Your primary responsibility is what they're coding, preparing the projects, not like what they're repairing the computers and installing the computers. For that, there is a separate team. For repairing your computers, for installation of these softwares, for uninstallation of the softwares, there is a separate team. In general, the name of that team is what their system administrators team. Of course, the technology may be changed from say might be company to company, but in general, system administrators team is available. Understand it what I am telling now? You are not at all responsible for installation of the softwares and uninstallation of the softwares. In our companies, there is a separate team. System administrators team is available. They will take care about your system repair section and installation and uninstallation of the softwares. In the software companies, you are not at all eligible to keep a pen drive also in our systems. Definitely, you are not at all responsible. You are not at all eligible to keep pen drive to your system. Company people will not allow you. If you want to copy some songs into your system, if you want to remove that in the sense, no, 24 by 7, your system is going to be monitored by our networking team or maybe system administrators team. Still, as part of your project work, it is required to keep some memory devices. If you want to copy some content from your computer there, under the supervision of the network administrators or maybe system administrators only, we have to do that. Means that we have to take permission, right? What files you are copying, what files you are pasting, that everything must be known by our system administrators. I think you understood clearly what is going on inside the companies there. Nobody will allow you to install your own or to copy some content from your system. Try to recognize this. Then immediately make it one question now. The company, I'm not at all responsible for installation process and uninstallation process of the softwares. But now, why you are wasting our time? Why you are discussing these steps to prepare first application and installation of the Java softwares and uninstallation of the Java software? Why you are showing these kind of things in front of us now? You may have this type of question now. Yes? Do I have this question? No? Yes, I think some of you are having this question now. Good. The simple answer from my side is what there. Now we are not working, right? Now you are not working, right? If you are the employee of any company, it's okay, then I do agree for it. But now you are not working, you are not the employee, you are the student at Durgasoft. So, might be today, after completion of this session, you have to go to your home, then there we have to practice your content. To practice your Java programs, definitely you require watch Java softwares. And then who will install the Java software in our system? If you're not aware about it now, then what we have to do now? Or else you want to call the system administrators team of the TCS or CTS or IBM, you want to call them, come to my home and try to install softwares. Nobody will accept it. So we have to do that. Understand it? First of all, you need to have awareness. If you are the Java developer, at least we need to have some awareness. Say, for example, if you are the car driver, for example, if you drive the car, what basics you require minimum? What basics you require? For example, in our journey, if you have any tire puncture, for example, what you have to do? You want to stay there only and you want to call some mechanic until the time you have to stand there. No? If you have any problem in the engine, definitely we can do that. That up to the deep level, we are not aware now. But puncture the tire in the sense we have to, Stephanie we have already, right? We have to change the Stephanie. At least minimum we should know that responsibility. You should have that responsibility. The same thing I'm telling you. Understand it, Kira? I'm not asking to you what exactly the thing is available inside the JVM. What is going on inside the compiler? How compiler? I'm not asking about that. At least I'm asking you how to install compiler, how to install JVM, how to install Java software, how to remove the Java software. Please, how to remove the Java software. Yes, sir. I'll get my point. At least that information here we have to know. That I'm giving the clarity. Understand it? Okay. So finally, what I have done here now, tell me, uninstall Java software. Not only this, previously after installation of the Java software, I provided some setups for my Java software. Some setups I given. That setups also I want to remove. Right. Now, if you want to go for the setups, then what we have to do now? Path environment variable I provided previously. To use Java commands and command prompt, I set what their path environment variable. Even that one also I want to remove. Understand it here. Now let me remove this. Then where it is available, open drive hard disk. This PC. Open this PC. If you open this PC now, here we are getting it. No. Now here, right click on not here, not here. Right click on this PC, guys. Now understand it. Now, I think in our desktop also it is available there, right? This PC desktop also is available. This PC is available. Am I right? Right click on it. All right. Properties. If you open the properties now, this is like what there Windows 11 version, I think so, right? Right. Windows 10 also might be. Right click there. There we are able to see one option. What is that option? You know, advanced system settings. What is that option, sir? Advanced system settings. That option is available. Click on this advanced system settings. There we are getting one window. There we are getting advanced. Then inside this environment variables, if you open that, where of course depending on your requirement you might be set the Java at two locations. in system variables and in user variables, but I prefer to go for user variables only every time. I'll not go for what their system variables. My all setups are available in what their user variables only. So what is available here already? Path is available. Let me edit it. Don't delete immediately. Why? Because in the path, all software's locations are available, not only Java. You can see this one here. If you observe this clearly, another software is available, another software location is also available to the path. What is that another software? MySQL. Similarly maybe Oracle, similarly maybe some other, maybe Python, maybe something else. No, so that's why don't delete that path every time. So just click on what button here now? Edit. Click on edit. What we have there now? Try to check for that. How many softwares locations I provide in path now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things are available. But what I required at present now? Java. What is that Java here? See Java JDK 17 bin. It is available permanently in my system now. I want to delete that one. Now delete button. Click on delete button. That is removed. Still my path is safe. In that path only I deleted what there? Java only. Only I deleted what there? Java only. Got my point or not? Right, so now my path is available. One. Okay. Right, so now path is available. Now try to recognize it clearly. Click on what button again? OK button. That's nice. Click on OK button. That's okay, fine. Finally here, what we have to do there, click on. Alright, so now close button here. Finish. My system is now Java free system. No Java is available in my computer. Now let me have a trial on it. Whether the Java is available or not in my system, just open command prompt. Open command prompt. In the command prompt, what I am telling to you, whenever we open this command prompt, there I am telling you just use Java C. Click on enter button. What you are getting the message now? Tell me. Yeah, right, sir. Now Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command, operable program or batch file. This message here we are getting. Okay, right, sir. I think the screen is not visible properly. Then I will adjust it for next class. Don't worry for it. Okay, now here we are getting what we are getting there. No, Java C is not recognized as an internal or external or an operable program or something else. Like here we are getting that message here. So whenever we are getting this message here, automatically we can understand it. Java C is not available in our system. What is not available? Java C is not available. Clear? All of you are getting clarity now. So up to now what I have done, please confirm to me. Just what I have done, just I uninstalled Java software. Still I did not started my installation process. Just now I uninstalled Java software. Now I want to start installation process. Clear? All of you are getting clarity now, right, sir? Let me close it. Now E drive softwares folder is available. JDKs are available actually. I want to delete even this one also. So previously I maintained some softwares dump. There I maintained some JDK softwares. No, I deleted even that one also. Got it? So totally no Java software is available in my system. Right. Now I'm going to start it. Right. Now tell me. All of you now tell me. If you want to use Java software, if you want to install your Java software, first of all, what I am telling to you, we have to download it from internet. Who has provided this Java software to us? Who is the home? Who is a home for Java software? If you think about it, Java was born at Sun Microsystems and grown up at Oracle Corporation. Java is like a female, born at one place. After marriage, growing at which place they know? Some other place, no, right? Similarly, Java. Up to Java 1.6 version, Java was with Sun Microsystems. Right from Java 1.7 version, Java was with what there? Java is now growing with what there? Oracle Corporation. At present, I want to install Java software or I want to download Java software from what? Oracle Corporation. Simple, sir. Even I don't know from where I have to get the Java software. Even I don't know. Just completely myself is a fresher. So I don't know. Then from where I have to download the Java software. So what we have to do there? Right, so now See, if you don't know anything about the softwares, don't worry. For the sake of us only, there is an option for us. What is that option? You know, Google. Nothing. You don't require to know anything previously. Just Google it. Everything we are able to get. Now my requirement is what there. Observe carefully. In my classes, up to the latest version of the Java, I can teach. Up to the latest version. Now at present 23rd version is going on. We can include up to that one. At the end of the core Java, we will see up to Java 23rd version. No doubt for that. But time being, I need to start. Initial programming, I have to start with the Java 6, Java 7 and Java 8. Three versions I'm going to use initially. So because of that reason, these three versions only I'm going to download at present. When I'm going to talk some features about Java 9, there I will install it. When I'm going to talk about Java 10 features, there I will install Java 10. Like this, up to 23rd version of the Java. So at present, what versions can I'm going to download there? Three versions: Java 6, Java 7, and what next one? Java 8 versions. Right. So now let me do this process here. Java 6 downloads. Yeah. Now tell me, all of you guys, now tell me. Java 6 downloads. Okay, fine. What is the latest version of the Java? Java 23rd version. When compared with the Java 23rd version, all previous versions are older versions or not? Come on. Java 23rd version is the latest version. Or maybe in the point of us Java 22nd version, maybe another latest version if you think. But Java 20, Java 21, Java 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, and so on up to 1.6 version. For example, if you take all these previous versions now, all these are older versions or not? Come on. All these older versions are provided by Oracle software as archived downloads. Archived downloads. Archived or archived, both are same. Archived or archived, okay, both are same. Archived downloads. Am I right? All of you are getting clarity on this. Archived downloads. Understand what I am telling there? Archived downloads. Clear? Okay, fine. So Java 6 version is a archived download. So I have to download it as what there? Archive downloads. From where only we have to download the Java software. See here, there we are getting some name. Java archive downloads. Except the latest version, all the versions are archived in a single location in their Oracle website. From there we have to download. If it is Java 17, if it is Java 23rd version here, it is not like that archived version. Directly we can download it. Understand it now? Right. So now what we have to do? Right click here, new tab. Automatically that will be open in new tab. What version of Java here we are trying to download? Java 6 version. Now let me scroll down. Again I'm telling to you, all of you observe carefully. Java programming language is different. Java software is different. Language is a collection of syntaxes. They are platform independent. Java is a collection of tools. Java compiler, JVM, Java profiler, like this collection of tools. They are platform dependent. Java software is platform dependent, but Java programming language is platform independent. Please remember this. So I need to download Java software. But see this here, if I open the Java software download page now, so many versions are available, so many softwares are available. Java 6 only, but Java 6 is available in multiple flavors. If you see Linux based Java softwares, Solaris based Java softwares, Windows based Java softwares, again Linux based Java, something else, some different Java softwares are available on the base of the operating systems. So what I have to download? It is a question now. Out of all this, what I have to download? Okay, of course. Whenever we have seen these operating systems, no, we have only one operating system at present. What is that operating system? You know, Windows operating system. Okay, I'm ready to download Windows now. But in Windows also three options are available. These two and this third one here. Here two options are available in Windows also now. Again, it is a confusion. Now what we have there? Windows x86 and Windows x64. These two versions are available. These two are available. What are these two now? What I have to download? What I have to install in my system? Got it or not? So because of the reason, first of all, what we have to know? First, we have to know what exactly our operating system. On the base of your operating system only, we have to download the required Java software. You should not download your Java software on flow. You should not install it on your system on flow. First, confirm it. What operating system is your operating system? On the basis of that, we have to download the Java software. But how is it possible for me to know my operating system? What is my operating system? Actually, my daughter has given a gift for me as a laptop, right? But I don't know what quotation is available with my system here. But I want to know something about my system where I have to know. Please remember it in your mobile phones also. Everywhere, there is an option like what there about, about mission option is available. There, if you open it, everything we are able to get. Yes, sir, got my point or not? In every product, there is an option like what there about the device. In our mobile phones also it is available. In our computers also it is available. If we go there we can get some information about our system. Or else, no, sir, I don't have much time here. I don't know about that information also. It's okay. Very simple point I'm telling you. Very simple option here I'm telling to you. Open this PC. Open this PC. If you click on this PC, there we are getting the drives, right? A drive, C drive, D drive, E drive, F drive, like here. Now here, right click here. Here, right click here. Just go for what there? Properties. If you click on this properties there, now here we are getting all the device specifications here we are getting. That's clear. All of you get my point here. What we are getting there, devices specifications here we are getting. Check for these device specifications. No. Okay. Then device name, something else, processor. What is my processor? Intel Core i5. Okay, fine. Remember it. What I'm telling there, right? Next one is what the RAM. Of course, intentionally I maintain 20 GB RAM. Why? Because to speed up the content. 20 GB is not mandatory. 8 GB is okay. Even 4 GB also okay. We can run Java programs, no problem. But when we install Oracle or maybe some other software, it may be slow. So better to maintain 8 GB. Or it's okay, no. If you want to maintain that more than that, 12 GB is also okay, 16 GB is also be okay. But 20 GB is a more. But still I maintain that. Why? Because I want to install Oracle software within 2 to 3 minutes of time. Why? Because I don't want to put more time inside the class now. That's why the installations must be speed up. Because of that reason, I'm going to maintain what there RAM, more RAM here I maintain. Understand it? Of course, this is one of the factor to speed up the softwares, but that depends on processor also. It's okay, leave it. Right, sir. Okay, fine. Device ID, it's okay. Everything is okay. System type, sir. Now, please recognize this. What is this system type here? No, I require this point. What is that system type here? 64-bit operating system, 64-bit processor. 64-bit operating system, 64 based processor. So my system is what? 64-bit. My system is what? 64-bit. It's okay, nice, very good. My system is what there? 64-bit, 64 based. That's nice. Now, if you come for this download page now, in download page, Windows x86 and Windows 64. What I have to download? Windows 64. That I have to download. Now see this one. Here, just we need to click on like what there? This particular one. Click on it. Download page now. Then when we click on this download link here, now it is asking about it what there. Right, you must accept the Oracle binary code license agreement for Java SA as a namesake only. Namesake only. Namesake in the sense like what? What is the meaning of namesake? No, formality only. No need to think much about it. Okay, Java is licensed, but not now. Java is licensed. From Java 11 version onwards, Java is licensed. But to whom it is licensed? No, for corporate users, not for the normal users. I'll give that information also part of the installation here. No. Right, sir. Okay, fine. Now select this checkbox here and click on this. All of you listen carefully. One more point here. Click on this. Click on this. Right, sir. Now see this one. Now what it is asking there. When we click on this, it is asking about like what they sign into Oracle. Asking like what they sign into Oracle. Please all of you recognize this. If you want to use any software from Oracle, or if you want to use any software from Oracle, definitely you should be the account holder of the Oracle website. If you are not the account holder of the Oracle website, not possible to download from Oracle website. Now I'm going to get everything from Oracle website. So you must have an account. Of course, I have already my account. I had already my account there. It's okay. I'm going to use that. But before that, what I'm telling there, if you are the newer person, if you're completely new at present there, what we have to do now, just what we have to click there, create account. What you have to click there, create account. Option here we have to click. Create account. If you click on this create account now, sign in. That means account creation page will be open. in the Oracle website, account creation page will be open. So what we have to do there, email address, working email address we can give. Just as the formality only. Some fields are mandatory, but still it is a formality. Password, we can provide some password where some hints are available. As per the hints, we can prepare the password. What are the hints? No, password must have upper and lowercase letters, at least one number and special characters, not match or contain email and be at least 8 characters long. So anyway, your email should not be matched. Minimum 8 characters, minimum one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one special symbol. Like this here, we have to maintain. As per that, we have to prepare the password. Repeat the password. Okay, fine. Next country Indonesia is okay, fine. Name and last name, first name and last name. Next one is what their job title, work phone, company name, address. But basically, we are the students. We don't know anything about company there. We are not joined with any company. But what I have to write there? But these fields are mandatory. Previously, what other students are used to do there? They used to say Durgasoft. But I'm requesting you, don't put Durgasoft in place of this. Okay, understand it now? Again, I'm telling there, they will not go for any background checkup forever, downloading options and all the things. No, they will not have that much of time. The point what I'm telling you, know, we can give any name. Yeah, you can give TCS, no problem. Infosys, no problem. Nobody will go to Infosys, nobody will check whether really employee or not because of this downloading software. Understand here? Just as a formality. Because of that reason here, what I'm telling to you, just we can provide any name, right? So all the details here we can provide. Click on create account. That's it. Your dream company, whatever the company is, your dream there, just we can specify the dream company name. But don't specify Durgasoft. Why? Because most of the people are already specified Durgasoft now. Understand? They may think about it. Why everybody they are saying Durgasoft, how much large that Durgasoft is a company. If they come directly to me for checking that software, whether they are using licensed software or pirated software, it will be the problem there, right? So because of that reason, better to use what their your own company name. Or else maybe in your with your name, you can create a company. You can give it. Right, sir. It's okay, fine. Leave this. Now here we are going to create that account. When we create that account, again we will come back to what there? This login page here, right? It's okay, fine. Already my username is okay, fine. Now here, click on this next button. There we have to enter the password. So okay, I think so it's already existed with me. Already it was available there. Already I saved it inside my system here. Now it was started like what they're downloading. For browser, one time is sufficient throughout the day. If we close the browser, again we have to enter username and password. I think you understood it clearly. Right, sir. Now it was downloaded. Java 6 update 45 is downloaded. Am I right? Alright, sir. Now, 1 minute. Now let me take this location here. I require this location. No problem. Okay, no problem. On Java 6, I want to get this location actually. Yeah, this download page. Just for the sake of documentation point of view, I'm going to use that. 1 minute. Java 6 version. Right, sir. Now, similarly, Java 7 version. Yeah, Java 6 is downloaded. I will show later on where it is available. No? Now, immediately, I have to download what there? Java 7. I want to download Java 7. Simple. Google it. Just search for Java 7 downloads. Click on enter button. Now, again, what we are getting there? Java SE 7 archive downloads. Right click on it and open a new tab. There I require this one here. Now, let me copy this. Now, here I want to use this now. Java 7 downloads here I'm going to provide this. Next one is Java 8. Alright, so now first of all, let me download the Java 7 here. Already is available. Again, now, as per this operating system basis only here we have to download. What is our operating system, sir? Now tell me. Windows x64. Now let me click on it. If you click on it, automatically it's going to be downloaded. One time already we logged in, so no need to log in every time here. Automatically it's going to be stored there. Installation is going to be, that means downloading is going to be started. Right, sir. Now almost all here we are able to get it. Once it is completed, then we can directly install the software at a time. Right, sir. Now it is downloaded. Okay, later I will show from where we have to copy that. Right, sir. Now the next one is what there? Java 8. Java 8 version. I'm going to download. Right, so now Download Java for Windows. Just leave this one. Now here we are getting it. Java SE8 archive downloads. Alright, so now here we are able to get it. Now here I want to copy this location also. For the sake of the document here, I'm giving clarity for you. Now just let me use this. Alright, so okay. Now see this one, Java 8 downloads. Yeah, right, sir. Now see this. Again, get the same scenario. Here we are going to get like what there, Windows 64. Now let me click on, then Windows 64. Right, okay. Then I accept it, download. Downloading is going to be started. So, okay, fine. Yeah, now tell me, almost all, how many Java versions can we downloaded? Three versions of the Java software here we downloaded. Am I right or not? Overall, how many versions here? Three versions. Three versions here we downloaded. Alright, sir. Good. So what I am telling to all of you guys, when we download all the three versions of the Java softwares, better copy them into your system at a particular location. Try to maintain all of your softwares in a particular location in your computer. So my location is E drive. Inside the E drive softwares, I created a folder. Inside the softwares, previously I deleted JDKs. No, again I'm going to create it. The new folder I'm going to create. Now this is like what the JDKs. I'm going to create it. Now inside these, just I'm going to paste all the three versions of the Java. Now they are pasted. Finally, what I have there, what I have completed now, tell me today. Today, two things I completed. Uninstall Java software. Second one is what there? Download Java software. Only these two things here I completed. It's okay, fine. Now, when we downloaded Java softwares, then what next one here? We have to install them. We have to install them. Am I right or not? We have to install the Java softwares. Am I right or not? We have to install the Java softwares. Right, sir? It's okay, fine. Alright, sir. Then how we are going to install the Java softwares? Right. Right. Just give a minute of time. Alright, sir. Now download Java software skill we completed. Next one is number 2. Install Java softwares. Under this download and install Java softwares title, again three subtitles are available actually. What are the three subtitles now? First one is download Java softwares. Second one is install Java software. Third one is provide setups, provide Java settings in our computer. Three things. By that we are able to finish it. Right, sir. Now let's move on to like what there, install Java software. Yeah, right, sir. Installation of the Java software is nothing, very simple. Just what I am telling you. First of all, I am going to install Java software. Now all of you observe carefully. Parallel, I need to prepare the document also. Then what I am telling there, JDK not coming. Right, sir. Now 1 minute. Right, sir. Now here what I am giving clarity there. Double click on the file. That's the first option here. What we have to do now. Just let me check for it now. I'm going to double click on this file. When I double click on it, that installation process will start there. Click on as this is a system permission only, no problem. Alright, now here we are getting that welcome page to install that one. Now here what we have to do there, click on what button here now? Next button. Just 1 minute. Click on what button here now? Next button. Click on the next button. Maybe for completely freshers, this is useful, the process here. If you are not aware about the computer science, if you are not aware about the Java, first time if you are learning Java, just try to follow these instructions. Click on what button here? Next button. Right, all of you observe carefully. What product is going to be installed here? As I said to you, two products are going to be installed. One is what there, JDK, another one is what there, JRE. Now what is going to be installed now? JDK. It's trying to install. At what location it has taken there? C program files Java JDK 1.6.0 like this. Underscore 45. Underscore 45 is what the sub version. Major version is 1.6. My main version is what there 1.6, minor version is what there 45, update 45, and every version updations are available. Okay, right sir, now here, but understand it, no, this is my comfort. What is my comfort here? I don't like to install under program files. Whenever I'm going to set a path there, then too much lengthy path I have to give here. I want to shorten. For that purpose, I want to install directly my Java software under C drive. I don't want to install under program files. No, I want to install it under what there? C drive directly. Am I right or not? Alright, sir. Now observe carefully. Now click on change button. Then we have to specify the location is what there? C Java JDK 1.6.0 underscore 45. That location here we have to provide. Just 1 minute. Right, so now change the JDK installation location to like what there C colon slash Java slash JDK 1.6.0 underscore 45 45 45 by clicking on the change button. That's it. Now let me do this work here. Now just let me click on the change button. When I click on change button, the location is coming here. Now here I'm going to delete it. Program files here I'm deleting here. No. Now the location is finalized. C Java JDK 1.6.0 underscore 45. Click on what button here? OK button. Now the location is finalized. Yes, sir. When the location is finalized, what we have to do now? Click on next button. That's it. Now here, what we have to do there after this, click on the next button. Well, just this is only formality wise only I'm giving this document here. Otherwise, not mandatory, but for completely some members are new members there. That's why I'm giving this all the steps now. Click on next button. Now JDK is going to be installed. After JDK installation, it's trying to install JRE automatically. Then it is asking about JRE location also. JRE location also is going to ask. By default, it will take what location there? Program files location. By default, it will take what there? Program files location, but I need to change it. Okay, just I'm waiting for what there that location here. Now here we are getting that set up destination folder. What location it has taken there by default? See again program files Java JRE 6. But again what I have to do there? I need to click on. I need to remove what there program files. Now here what I have to do there? Alright, so now understand it clearly. Change the JRE. Change the JRE installation location to here what we have to provide there now C colon slash Java slash JRE 6 location by clicking on the change button. Right, sir. By clicking on what the change button, here we have to change it. It's okay, fine. This is okay. Right, so now let me click on the change button, next button here, change button. Click on change button. Now here I have to change the location here. I need to remove that what there program files. Okay, see Java JRE 6. Click on OK button. Alright, so location is finalized. Then what next one here? Click on the next button. Click on the next button. Click on the next button. Now see, read this one here. 3 billion devices run Java. 3 billion devices run Java. Remember it. That's the portability of the Java. No other software, no other programming language is having this much of capability. 3 billion devices run Java. That installation process given that, which includes like what their printers or maybe mobile phones or maybe parking systems maybe and some different things, right? It's okay, sir. Now almost all it is completed here. Now here what we have to do there, finally click on what button here? No, close button. Right, sir. Now come for it, click on the close button. Right, finish. Now what is completed here now? What software is completed here now? Tell me. Java 6 version here we completed. Am I right or not? Right, so now not required to show that installation process for what there Java 7 and 8 here. So what I'm telling there now in this process now, note I'm giving there. Similarly, install Java 7 and Java 8. Similarly, install Java 7 and Java 8 versions. No, okay, fine. Right, sir. Now, just wait 2 minutes after I'll install remaining two versions also. Without document, directly I'm going to install them, not write object carefully. Java 6 is okay, installed. Now, let me install Java 7. Right, sir. Directly I'm going to do this process here. Yeah, it's okay, fine. Click on OK. Yeah. Now, I think you are not going to see this content here, but I will do that. Now, just click on next button. I need to change the JDK location here. Now, program files here I'm going to remove. Program files here I removed here. Now, click on OK button. Alright, sir, click on next button. It's going to do. Alright, so once JDK is completed, then we are going to see what there, JRE. Alright, so now here also click on what button here, then change button, just remove that what there, program files. Click on next button. Same message here we can see 3 billion devices run Java as of now. There we can see the list of devices also. They are given some list. Yeah, finally completed. This is like what there, Java 7 version. The next one is what there, Java 8 version. Let me install it. Double click on it. The setup files, already we downloaded them. Alright, so now click on yes, system permission. The next one is that installation window will open for us. Now click on next button. The location here we have to change. Now program files here we have to remove. Right, so now click on OK button, click on next button. Again JRE location here we have to change. But in the Java 8 version, JRE location we have to specify explicitly, not like by removing program files. No, just you'll get it. Now try to understand it here. What I'm going to do here with the JRE 8 location there, we have to do some changes explicitly, something extra explicitly. Yeah, now it is giving some information, guys. Now please read out this information now. Important information about Oracle Java SE roadmap. Changes are coming which will impact your access to future release of Java SE from Oracle. Corporate users will be impacted with the version with the April 2019 update. What I'm telling there, on April 2019, Java 11 version was released. Java 11 version was provided, and 2019 April on that month, right? What they are saying now, with the Java 11th version onwards, changes are available. What changes now? Simply Java is a licensed version. They are giving information from which version of the Java? Java 8 onwards. Java 8 onwards, they are giving information about Java 11. Understand it clearly. So Java 11th version is what there is a licensed one. Then what next one here now? These changes do not affect version you are about to install. It is not impacted to or present version. For additional information, please follow the link now. If we click on that link, information we are able to get. When we install Java 11th version in our system there we are able to get a clear cut message. What message there? This version of the Java is licensed. This is licensed to the corporate users, not for students, not for teachers, not for like what they are, individual developers. This is licensed version for what users know, corporate users. Means that the people those who are working with the companies know they must take license of Java if they want to use Java. For the teachers, for the students, for the individual developers, it is not at all licensed one. I think you understood my point clearly. For example, if you're working with the TCS, you should take Java license. That is, company people will take the Java license. If you're an individual developer, for example, if you're a consultant, for example, individual developer there, then you are not required to take any license. You are the student at present. No, you are not required to take any license. Moreover, that agreement will come from which version of the Java? Java 11th version. Now we are using what version of the Java? 8 version. Nobody will touch you, definitely, right? So click on what button here now? OK button, that's fine. Now see this one. Now it is asking about what the destination location. Click on what button here now? Change button. Now see this now. Now here we are getting this one here. Our system hard disk here we are getting there. There we have to go with what there C drive. Inside the C drive, there we have to go with what there Java. Inside the Java, make a new folder, create a new folder. We have to create a folder for JRE. Create a new folder. That new folder name is what there JRE8. JRE8. Select it again. JRE8 is coming. Select it already. Click on OK button. See Java JRE8 location is confirmed here. Click on what button here? Next button here we click it there. Now automatically that installation is going to be completed. 3 billion devices run Java again. That message here we are getting. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? So finally, we are going to install it. Finally, how many versions of Java here we completed? 3 versions of the Java. Now tell me guys, today what I have done overall? 3 things. What 3 things? No, uninstallation of the Java software. Second one is what there? Downloading Java software. The third one is what there? Installation of the Java softwares. That's it. Let it complete. Java 8 version may take 1 minute extra when compared with all the previous versions. Okay. After this, after completion of this, we need to go for setups, settings. I'll ask some questions, try to answer for it. Okay, fine. For example, three versions of the Java, 3 versions of the Java are installed in my system. That's nice. 1 minute. When 3 versions of the Java is installed in my system, first of all, let me check where that the softwares are installed, guys. Now tell me, in which drive I installed all the softwares? Come on, C drive. In C drive, I've installed Java software. What folder there? Java folder. Inside the Java folder, what we have seen there? Now tell me. All right, sir. Now see this one. What we have seen? Almost all 6 folders here we are getting. 3 folders for JDK and 3 folders for what there? JRE. See this one, JDK 1.6.0, JRE 6. JDK 1.7.0, JRE 7. JDK 1.8.0, JRE 8. Of course, Java 17th version I required there. Later on I will install it. But at present in our batch, in our content, no, 3 versions of the Java. What are the 3 versions of the Java? JDK, that means Java 6, Java 7, Java 8. Is that got or not? Okay, fine. Now it is completed. Alright, sir. The next one is after that. I'm asking one question to try to answer for it. Installation of the Java software is sufficient to use Java software in our computer? Come again? What is my question? No. Installation of the Java software is sufficient to use Java software in our computer? Is that installation sufficient to use Java? Simply I'm asking there. Can I use directly Java C command prompt just immediately after installation of the Java software? Is that Java software installation is sufficient to use all Java commands and command prompt? Definitely no, not sufficient. Of course, you can install it. After that, we have to tell to the operating system wherever all Java commands are available. We have to tell to the operating system wherever all Java commands are available. Am I right or not? So for that purpose here we are going to use like what there? Alright, we need to set path environment variable. For this purpose here we have to use what there? Path environment variable. Now see this one. I'll give that point clearly. Now, 2 steps here we completed. First of all, download Java software, then install Java software. Now the next one is what there? And set up Java software. Set up Java software or maybe configure Java software in our system. Set up Java software. Right, sir. Point is very clear. All of you observe carefully. After installation of the Java softwares, after installation of the Java softwares in our computer, to use all Java commands, we have to provide all Java commands location to the operating system. Right, sir? To the operating system. What is the Java commands location actually? We have installed Java softwares. Inside the Java software, where all Java commands are available, that we have to check now. Right, sir? Now just understand it 1 minute of time. All of you know. All of you observe carefully what I am trying to say. Now, where we install Java software, C drive, Java folder. Inside this all Java software skill we open. Now all of you observe carefully. JDK 1.8.0, any version, no problem. JDK. Open the JDK. Inside the JDK bin, what is the folder name? Bin folder. Open it. These are all Java commands. These are all Java commands. What is this command, sir? Now check for it. Java C. This command is what is the Java C. Java doc. Java command is available here. Java command. Java in the sense JVM. Java C. Java compiler. Java doc. Java documentator. Java P. Java profiler. Java H. Java header. Understand it clearly. Like this, almost all 40 to 50 number of commands are available in Java. All these commands are available at which locations are now tell me. C Java JDK 1.8.0 underscore 202 slash bin. Inside this location, all Java commands are registered. Am I right or not? Are you identifying at which location the Java commands are available? In any version, JDK bin. In any version, JDK bin. Understand it now? Inside this location, all commands are available. Now, we have to tell to the operating system, in this location, all my Java commands are available. So when I use the Java command on command prompt now, go to this location and check for the respective command. I get my point or not? So because of that reason, we have to tell to the operating system where all Java commands are available. Alright, sir. Now see this one. After installation of the Java software in our computer, to use all Java commands, we have to provide all Java commands location to the operating system. For this, we have to set. For this, we have to set the path environment variable. Path environment variable. For this we have to set path environment variable. That's clear? All of you are getting clarity on this. For this we have to set path environment variable, path environment variable. That's it. But how we are going to set path environment variable? That we have to understand, right? So this part I'll discuss with you on tomorrow. The time may not be sufficient for it now. It is a story. Then where we are going to understand some interview questions also. Alright, sir. Then how to set path environment variable. Then we are going to understand completely tomorrow. Tomorrow the topic is very much interesting. Different interview questions I'm going to cover. Somewhat internal concepts I'm going to discuss with you. Don't miss that content. Tomorrow we are going to see the remaining setup of the content here. So what I'm telling there, of course, already you are aware about the installation process for Java software. But one time practice this what I have done today. In every person's system, these softwares must. These things are mandatory. Then today onwards, you have to follow my system. Might be softwares installation and everything. Why? Because we are going to do work combinedly. So try to maintain the same configurations in our system also. Then we can move forward. Clear? Shall we meet on tomorrow? That's it. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Shall meet on tomorrow. I think some few members are late comers, right? Who are the late comers? Please raise your hands. Yeah, there is a laddu for you in outside. Take it. Thank you. Abhi, 4 members. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thanks a lot.